Hello everyone, so just about a month ago my channel reached 100,000 subscribers, and just today I got something in the mail from YouTube. So I'm going to be opening it up here for you guys right now. Alright. This is very cool. I'll definitely read through this in just a moment. Wow. Here it is. Wow. This is so cool. Wow, it's so shiny. Just like a mirror. Presented to Ryan King Art for passing 100,000 subscribers. So I wanted to give a huge thanks to all of my YouTube subscribers for helping me to reach this milestone. I couldn't have done it without your support, so thank you guys so much. Yeah, it's super shiny. It's basically like a mirror right in here. And right on the back here, I can even hang it up. That's really nice. They have these little things here so I could just hang it up on a wall if I wanted to. And I really see this as just the beginning of my YouTube channel. I really enjoy creating Blender tutorials and content, and thanks to all of my supporters, I am able to do this for a full-time living. So I have so many more things that I want to do in the future and so many more plans for the channel and lots of other Blender tutorials to create. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I have so much content coming in the future. And for the record, it is December 28th of 2022, although I'll probably post this video the next day because I still have to edit the video, but I received this on the 28th of December of 2022. So it's almost New Year's, so Happy New Year's everyone, and I'm looking forward to another year of Blender tutorials in 2023. So again, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next Blender tutorial.